This was our March Racial Justice Learning Exchange here in the Vermont County building that I have a community office in and Department of Mental Health does. We had a standing room only, literally, participation in a critical conversation right now, and that is the intersection between race and religion. And we talked about the role religion has played in a painful way in the lives of people of color and in a productive way. We had amazing testimonials. We had opening prayer from multi-faith leaders. And so it was just 20 breakout groups. And the conversations, the facilitated conversations about how we show up for each other, how we unpack our own bias, how we have respect for faiths beyond our own. It was just an amazing experience. And I want to thank all of those who showed up.
My name is Tyrone Nance. I'm the founder and CEO of a nonprofit called It's Bigger Than Us. I think before we transform our communities, we got to be willing to transform ourselves, breaking down our own ideologies, our own thought patterns that may be biased. And today, showing up, I realize how biased and how some of my silent views are affecting other people. I got to listen and learn other people's stories.
My name is Reverend Reina Sills Montoya. I'm the faith-based coordinator for SPA 4 or Service Planning Area. I'm with the People Concerned. It was a fabulous experience. I enjoyed the breakout sessions. One of the things I realized is that you may leave a toxic environment, but that you have to handle the trauma from that toxic environment and not make assumptions based on experience that is traumatic, and being more of a listener when people say they're Christian and not automatically assume that they're out to get you or to divide you. I think we have to have an open heart and allow other people's experiences to help our own experiences flourish.
Hi, my name is Marlisa D. Gamblin, and I'm the president of Kingdom Daughters, a nonprofit that focuses on helping Black women heal from racial trauma. The highlight for me was being able to see how so many people are being bold about the importance of talking about race, and particularly racial justice, across different faith groups, across different racial groups, and across different sectors of work. And for me, it really warmed my heart that people in nonprofit, government, and private spaces are committed to doing the same.
So many people showed up who care, who want to be agents of change. And we're going to do it together through the work of the Racial Justice Learning Exchange.